Greetings my friends, welcome back to another video, and what a gift I have for you today. If you are tired of trading and hitting low payouts, if you're tired of performing the analysis, doing all the work for your chart and ending up with a bad entry because the platform suddenly decided to change the payout on your trading asset and all the analysis you have done is falling flat on its face, today I have a brand new trading robot for you. We've been testing, we've been working with the team to provide you with the best way to trade on OTC market, on Pocket Option, and today we got exactly that for you. This brand new trading robot is going to perform the analysis for you, automatically look for the asset with above 80% payout, so you're always getting the best payout on each trade that you do. It will provide you with the analysis and it will give you a 1 minute signal. So if you want to already give it a try, then check out the links in the description below or send me a message on Telegram at @ntrade_pro. You know that all of our robots are performing great at what they're designed for, and this tool is no exception. So if you're ready to trade, if you're ready to make money, join my trading group, links in the description below. And now let's get into trading and let me show you what this tool is going to bring to the table. So let's get it. All right, so here we are. Here we have the trading robot on the right side, and using it is extremely simple. You don't have to do anything. The robot does everything itself. It will look for the trading asset. It will look for the trading asset with only 80+% payout, and it will give you the analysis in the direction of the trade. The trades are always going to be 1 minute long, so set your expiration time to 1 minute. And in case the trade doesn't go through, the robot will give you a martingale trading strategy signal. So what you're gonna do is, in case the loss comes in on the first trade, you're gonna double up on the next one. But I'm going to show you, as you can see, the Ultra Pay OTC bot has started searching for the currency pair with the highest payout percentage. But not only that, it also looks for the asset with a good probability of making money. So there we have it, Euro United States dollar, 1 minute buy position. We're placing $1,000 on this trade. And here we have the analysis. RSI is moving above the 30 level and trending upwards, signaling increasing bullish pressure. MACD has crossed into positive territory, confirming the start of a bullish move. EMA 20 is above EMA 50, reinforcing the upwards momentum. So not only you are getting a full breakdown of a trade that you're doing, but you also understanding what indicators the robot is using and what it's actually using to perform this analysis. And this will already start helping you tremendously in understanding how to navigate the market by yourself and which indicators are designed for which things. This is amazing, and you're gonna get a lot of profit. And the greatest thing is, you actually don't just have to do anything. All you need to do is simply follow the signals from the robot, and there we have it. We have a few seconds left here, and we secure a nice profit of $920 on our first trade. As you can see, Euro United States dollar OTC, the signal has successfully hit profit. Great job, the analysis was spot on and the trade has performed as expected. Keep an eye out for the next opportunity, and next opportunity is gonna come right after this. So all we have to do now is simply wait. And actually, as you can see on this other screen, I had a trade going on and we just hit the profit here, and I made $750 off of this trade. Beautiful. This was a 6-to-1 ratio that I did place a trade, so this is nice. And if you want to learn how to trade like this, then make sure to check out my trading group. I'm going to teach you the best strategies, the best way to go into profit. And actually the price goes much higher than I expected, but this is great news. And let's get to trading with the robot, and let's wait for the next signal to come in. And here we are, we have the robot starting the next search for the currency pair, and we're ready to take it whenever it is coming in. Once again, spent 4 minutes between the signals, so you have plenty of time to look over the trade that you previously took, maybe read through the analysis. Basically, don't just sit around and do nothing. What you want to do, especially if you're just getting into trading, you want to understand what was done by the robot and why the signal was successful. That is extremely important. And also, this robot is using martingale strategy, as I mentioned. So if the trade doesn't go through, it advises you to to place a double amount of your initial trade in the same direction. And this is actually a very important tool for trading. A lot of people don't know, a lot of people don't use it, they just take a loss. But a lot of the times you actually want to double up, because not every single time you're gonna hit it on the perfect timing. And there it is, we are taking a sell position and we're gonna place it right now. As you can see, RSI is falling below 40, confirming that the market sentiment is shifting to bearish. MACD is showing a negative crossover, reinforcing the downward trend. EMA 50 is below EMA 200, confirming that the long-term trend is bearish. Once again, amazing performance. I think the signals are being a little bit too fast, so we're gonna try to slow it down, maybe make sure that you have a little bit more time to prepare and read through the analysis. But as I said, we just released this robot. It is already performing so great, and the fact that it's finding you the best, the highest payouts available on OTC market, and you don't have to scan the market yourself, is just exquisite. And we're gonna continue working on this robot. We're gonna continue improving it, and believe me, it's gonna bring you a lot of profit. And there we are, we're closing in. The robot has already closed in because it finished a little bit faster. So we see if we get the money here last second, and we do get the money. But that's why I said we probably need to slow it down a little bit between the signals so you are actually able to place it. But we got the money once again, 2 trades back to back, and we are over $1,500 of profit already with this tool. So let's once again wait for the next signal, and this is going to be our last signal. We're going to place another 1,000 or 2,000 on the next trade, and let's see if we can profit again. Let's go. All right, we missed one trade which also resulted in a profit, but I actually managed to ask my team to change the time between the signal, the trading asset that you receive, and the signal itself, so we have more time to enter the trade. So now it should be easier. And as I said, there's some minor tweaks that we need to do, but as you can see, we're doing them on the fly. The robot has just released, and we are going for Swiss franc, Japanese yen, 90% payout. And look at this, now it's perfect. I just entered it, and I still have a little bit of time to set my amount and all the rest. And there it is, we have a sell position here from the robot. Entry for 1 minute, put down. RSI is dropping below 40, indicating strong selling activity. MACD is in negative territory and continues to widen. EMA 50 is below EMA 200, reinforcing the long-term bearish trend. So beautiful. We're placing our trade, 40 seconds to go, and we are good. And this is what this robot is about. And even if we take a loss here, I'm not worried. As I said, martingale trade is still a thing. It is still widely used by all the professional traders, and you should be not scared of using martingale trades when you're trading. When the robot is giving you the signal to place a martingale trade, and it will in case of a loss, then make sure to follow it if you deem necessary. But once again, I use martingale trade a lot, and this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to place 2,000 here, double up on my initial trade as suggested by the robot. It says Swiss franc, Japanese yen, OTC, the signal didn't hit profit. Let's open another trade in the same direction, but this time double the amount. We'll trade using the martingale strategy, and just like that, we're placing another trade. And now let's observe. We have 35 seconds, 37 seconds to go. Let's see if we can squeeze out this profit and get all our money back from that initial loss. And we are closing in. We're getting all the profit, we're getting all the money here, and securing a nice 1,800 minus the 1,000 we lost. So we made $800 of profit on this trade. And this is how you do it, guys. Super easy. You can see you can trade with this robot already right now. If you're ready to make money, if you want to try it out and see if it performs well, make sure to send me a message on Telegram. Once again, we are working on this tool. We're going to continue supporting it. It is just the beginning, but already this tool seems like such a strong tool in your arsenal. So make sure to check it out. Send me a message. Everybody who gets in right now gets a small discount for this robot, so don't miss out. And in my trading group, you already have a full arsenal of trading robots for any sort of market that you want to trade on. And not only that, but you can trade alongside me and my team every single day, where we perform the analysis. I share my own signals and my own trades with you, the analysis, the news breakdowns, everything that you would need as a trader, we got it for you. So send me a message on Telegram at Android_pro, or simply click the links in the description below. I appreciate you for your continuous support. I appreciate you guys for sticking with us, for trading without tools. We definitely try to bring the best trading robots to the market to make sure that you are able to make money consistently and automate your trading. So appreciate you. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.